During the last year, over 3 billion animals died from bushfires in Australia. Over 13 million hectares were deforested in the world. 40 soccer fields each minute. We've been saying it for years, but they don't listen to us. So this time, we made the animals say it. We created the first radio campaign, made with real bird sounds, recorded while their forests were being destroyed. The Australian magpie is known for its incredible ability to learn and mimic the sounds that surround it. This is a real recording of its chirping, taped in January of this year in an Australian forest. Every year, more than 13 million hectares are deforested in the world. Nature is calling for help. Because if they didn't listen to us, now they will listen to them.